Yo, 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 what is up, guys? Back again with another trade recap. You might have been wondering why I didn't post a video on Friday. Well, that's because it was one of the worst trading days of my life. Not because I suck at trading or anything, but because I traded really well, but I left an open order on my eval accounts and it hit my daily loss limit. I was up $310 that day, and I was in some longs and or I was in some shorts. I made money off shorts, and I had some, buy stop that didn't, get canceled. So after I left, like 30 minutes later, price went up to that buy stop, and then it immediately started reversing. So I was in it was for one NQ contract. So I was in about, so I lost about 70 points, 76 points before my order finally got canceled. Because I made 1,300 and the loss limit's 1,200. So, 76 points is like 1,500. So yeah, I lost all that, and today was a pretty good day. I made $1,100. So the trade I took for that was right at the open, right here. I was seeing that Asia made some highs, and I didn't think that as soon as New York opened, we would rip up or anything. So what I did was I waited, and then price hit the 21 EMA. So I got in shorts right here at 20,136 to 135, and then I wrote it down 40 points. So I had an $800 win right there. And then again, I got into another trade right here at 20,060, but I got in a little bit too early. No, it was 20,074. I got in at 20,074, little early, little preemptive. Broke my rules, but I was like, I have $800 extra in drawdown right now, so let me just enter, which I shouldn't have. That was my mistake. And so I was in about 74, from 74 to 1559. So I was in about $1,000 drawdown. But then as soon as I looked at the chart, we had taken out Asia lows right here, and then we came down and we took previous days lows over here. So I felt a little bit more confident in my position, so I just held it, and then it ripped right back up, and then I left at another 15 points from 74. So at around 85, 90 ish, I took my profit, and that was 1,100 on 3 accounts. So basically, I'm only down $400 from where my account's highest balance was, which is great. I let go of some points. I could have been up a little bit more, like $200 more. But I was like, this is good. Monday made back almost everything I lost on Friday, so just 400 away from my highest account balance was, which is good. So I took basically the same trades on my live. You can see the account balance here. I made $150. I had a $176 loss on Friday. Since I didn't make a recap video, I just didn't feel like I needed to make a video on just my live account. So yeah, let's see if I can pass these. I've been getting more confident, just trading 5 to 10 micros on here, and finding really good entries. And yeah, I just want to apply that same thing to the live, like I have been saying. So yeah, it's looking good. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, those are the trades that I took. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.